Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn how to import, export or save an Excel file using C# application. Okay, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel to see our new video. And now let's start. Okay, as you see, here we can open an Excel file and this button can open the next sheet and this button can export or can save the C# file into an Excel file. Okay, let's take a look on the code. If I press on open file, this is the code of the open file. But no need to write it manually. You can easily scroll down and you can find the code separated below and you can copy whatever you want and paste it on your code. Okay, let's check it now. Let's start. For example, let's test the open file. If I press open file, let me choose an Excel file. For example, Excel 1, open. As you see here, this is the Excel file. Let's check it. Excel 1. This is the first sheet, sheet 1. If I press next sheet, this is the second sheet, Roboty. This is the next sheet. The first sheet, second sheet, first sheet, and the name of the sheet can be displayed here. Sheet 1, Roboty. Assume we have an Excel file and I want to save the C# file into an Excel file. We can press save and go to the desktop, give any name and save. Export successful. Let me go to the Excel file saved. As you can see here, 45. This file has been saved on the desktop. Okay, this is all about our video today. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel to see our new video. But I wanna remind you that no need to copy manually any code. All you need is to scroll down and copy the code from the Google Drive depending on whatever you want. And thank you for your watching.